Welcome to Awesome ATV Rentals, providing your way to experience the exciting adventurous lifestyles in ATV and side-by-side from beginners and up. Our family-friendly atmosphere and Carolina trails are a great formula for a wonderful, fun day. Come on and join us. Bring your family, friends, and loved ones by going to our website, Awesome ATV Rentals, and book your next adventure now. Awesome ATV Rentals also provides viewers like you reviews on latest tech, gears, and ATV off-road trails. Awesome ATV Rentals.